Okay, so we are going to start with the recording for the Ayala accreditation. So we start with June 1. Everything is clear. Here's Terminal 2, and the other one is Terminal 1. So in Terminal 2, we're going to start with here, June 1, Saturday, and we're going to sign in. Okay, so we're going to see here the start of the day is currently June 1, Saturday at 8 a.m. Okay, so we're going to transact here in Terminal 2, item B. And then in Terminal 1, we're going to start also with here, we sign in. So you can see in Terminal 1, it's going to be June 1, Saturday, 8 a.m. as well. So in Terminal 2, we punched item B. So in Terminal 1, we're gonna punch item A. So both of them are going to check out at the same time. Then we're gonna exact cash, and then we're gonna OK. So after both of that are done, we're gonna both go hit Z reading. So we're gonna Z reading both of it. Okay. So when we're gonna check the tenant data here, you're going to see that Terminal 1 is 25 and Terminal 2 is 33. So we're gonna advance date the Terminal 2, and we're gonna skip June 2 and proceed to June 3. Well, Terminal 1 isn't gonna do anything for now. So we're gonna advance date this, change the Terminal 2 into June 3. Okay. We're going to quit just so it will reflect. But again, so currently Terminal 1 is on standby. So it will not punch anything. So we would see the reflect later. So we're gonna sign in. So the date is going to be June 3. We click OK. So here in Terminal 2, we're gonna punch item B and item C. So we're going to check out exact cash. Okay. And then we're going to Z reading. So after that, we're going to check in the tenant data over here. So in June 2, we skipped June 2, so it should just carry over the one we had in June 1. So 25 and 33, which is correct. And we proceed then to June 3. So the Terminal 1 shouldn't be touched, and the June 3 is going to affect changes after the Z reading. So it's now 8/7. So after that, we won't be touching Terminal 2. We're gonna proceed into Terminal 1, and we're gonna advance the date to June 4. So I'm just gonna change the date here in Terminal 1, June 4. We're gonna quit just so it will reflect. So in June 4, so we're going to sign in. So we could see here the last end of the day was in June 1. Now we're going to be in June 4. So it skipped both June 2 and June 3. Okay. So after that, we're going to hit item A and item D. We're going to check out exact cash. Okay. And then we're going to Z reading. Okay. So when we're going to check the tenant data over here, after June 3, June 4, which only the Terminal 1 has been touched, so it's now reflected 6/2, and the terminal 2 is still the same as 8, 7. It's still carried over. Okay? Thank you.